What is up, YouTube family? This is Andrew, the Hustle Millennial, coming at you today. Finally, guys, I'm starting to feel better. Got that cold funk out of the air. So what we're doing today is we are talking social media growth, and social media growth primarily around Instagram. So what I want to do is over the next 3 days, I want to release a video each day. And each day I want to give you a tip to success on how to run your Instagram account and how to basically super boost that. There's a lot of things about Instagram that people don't understand, and we're going to cover those over the next couple days. So first off, to kind of give a little validity, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I've only been on the Instagram platform for about 6 to 7 months. So I am a newbie to the Instagram platform, but I have grown over 5 accounts in that time to over 1,000 followers each, and I've actually grown one account that I use for affiliate marketing to right around 5,300 followers in the 6 months that I've started kind of messing around with Instagram. So the first thing I want to talk to you guys today is really going to be about the stair-stepper method. Now, you may have heard this before and you may not have, but the stair-stepper method basically goes with hashtag research. Whenever you guys post a photo on Instagram, you want to do hashtag research for that photo. Now, Instagram allows up to 30 hashtags per photo, and I would suggest using 27 to 29 of those. Basically, it's, if you're randomly firing a gun in the air, you're putting more targets in front of you to hit. So the more hashtags you put, because the ultimate goal, guys, is to hit the explore page. So to hit the explore page, you have to kind of stair-stepper your way up to it with hashtags. Now what I mean is, say I post 27 hashtags on a picture. The first 9 hashtags are gonna have under 500,000 followers. So when you're doing your hashtag research, you make a list. Now this block has under 500,000 followers, and I'm gonna use 9 of those hashtags, and that's gonna be my first stair. So my second stair is going to be 500,000 to 1,000,002. So 500,000 to 1,250,000. Those are going to be my second stair stepper. Now the goal is people are going to see it in these lower categories because there's not a ton of competition. So many people are going to see it, and of course it's good content. The size of the photo matches up to what Instagram requires, because of course Pinterest, their photos are a little bit, they're a little bit taller. Instagram, they're, perfect squares. Facebook is different, so on and so forth. And I'm gonna drop this right now. If you guys want something to make all of your Instagram photos for you, check out Snappa. Snappa.com is awesome. They will automatically format all your photos for Instagram for you. And then you can download them, upload them, whatever. But that third and final stair step is going to be above 1,250,000. So what you're going to do is you're going to find, now this is just what I would do. Now, of course, you can do 29 hashtags, 21 hashtags, but you're missing out on real estate if you're not using at least 27 hashtags per photo. So you have 1/4 to 500,000, 500,000 to 1,250,000, and then 1,250,000 and above. Now in each of these categories, people are going to be liking, commenting, and whatnot on your photo, so much so that it has the chance to bump it into that next category, finally getting to that explore page that's really going to get your photo that recognition. Now, of course, your photo does have to kind of have a same theme as the rest of your profile, and not every photo, even if you do this perfectly, I have over 3,000 posts on Instagram, and maybe only 100 of them have hit the explore page, which is actually, for someone that's new at Instagram, that's really, really good. And it's proven. If you have me on Instagram, Hustle Millennial, you can go ahead and hit me up, and I'll show you the other profiles that I've been working on, kind of using for affiliate marketing and for other means, product launch and whatnot. But that stair-stepper method, guys, that method of just slowly stepping your way up to that explore page, that's how you're going to hit it. That's how you're really going to just explode on your Instagram followers. So if you're someone right now that's using maybe 10 or less hashtags per photo, if you're someone that doesn't have your photos correctly to the size specifications that works best for Instagram's algorithm, if your profile has a weird kind of theme going to it. So if you were to click on your main profile and just scroll down where you can see photos in strips of 3, if you have some completely blacked out photos and then one random video and some really lightly colored painted photos, none of that works well together. So everything on Instagram, which is the #1 visual photo and video platform outside of YouTube's kind of rivaling Google's search platform, when it comes to just photos and graphics, Instagram is the #1 right now. So if you're not on Instagram at all, you need to be on Instagram no matter what you're promoting, even if you're promoting your own brand. So motivational speaker, salesman, traveling consultant, everybody needs to have an Instagram because it's #1 marketing right now, kind of in the visual sort of things. Closely about to be taken over maybe by Snapchat, as that's trying to get a comeback. But right now, guys, Instagram is where it's at, and the stair-stepper method is how you're going to really boost those followings. So if you learned something new, definitely show your love, guys. Hit that subscribe button down there, as we're going to be rolling out videos on social media growth on top of our videos on affiliate marketing and retail arbitrage. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Happy picking, guys, and as always, have a great day.